friends, let us learn about computer next. Before we know about computer, let me introduce you to my friend, Robo.
Hi, I am Robo. Let's learn.
Chapter 6. More on MS PowerPoint 2010.
You will learn slide layout for blank presentation, working with the text box, inserting a text box, drag and drop a text box, deleting a text box, change the text direction, formatting text, changing a font, alignment of text, insert bullet and numbering, working with images, insert image from file, insert clip art image, resize an image, move the image.
MS PowerPoint is a presentation software used to create a presentation. You can start MS PowerPoint by clicking Start, All Apps, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. A new blank window appears with Presentation 1 title. The slide pane displays a slide called the title slide. The title slide appears with two placeholders. You can click inside the placeholder to type text. Slide layout for blank presentation. You can select the layout for the slide that you want to add in your blank slide. A slide layout is the arrangement of placeholders on the slide used to add text, images, and objects. For example, in the above example, a titled slide is selected. To add a layout for a slide, follow these steps. Select the slide for which you want to add a layout. Click on the layout option in the slides group on the Home tab. A list of slide layout appears. Click on the desired layout. The selected layout will be applied to the slide.
Robo fact: placeholder is a kind of text box which is present in the slide layout.
Working with the text box. You can insert a text box on a slide. You can use a text box to place text and images in it. Inserting a text box. To insert a text box, follow these steps. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the text box in the text group. Click on the slide. Text box appears in the slide. The insertion point appears. Type directly into the text box. Drag and drop a text box. To drag and drop a text box, follow these steps. Click on the text box. A dotted outline of the text box appears. The cursor changes to a cross with arrow indicating that you are moving the text. Release the mouse button and the text will appear. Drag the text box. Drop the text box. Deleting a text box. To delete a text box, follow these steps. Click the text box. Click the border of the text box. Press the delete key from the keyboard. The selected text box gets deleted. Change the text direction. By default, the text direction is horizontal. But if we want to change the text direction, then follow these steps. Select the text you want to modify. Click the text direction command in the paragraph group. A menu will appear. Choose from the direction of the text to be horizontal, rotated, or straight. Formatting text. change the look of the text on a slide is called formatting. MS PowerPoint provides formatting to the existing text in a slide. Changing the font. MS PowerPoint provides the similar formatting tools used in MS Word. To change the font, its size, style, color or case, use the different button in the font group on the Home tab. Alignment of text. When you type text in a text box, it is center aligned by default. To change the alignment of text, click on the required alignment options in the paragraph group. Insert bullets and numbering. You can add bullets and numbering to create a list in a slide. To create a bulleted list, follow these steps. Select the text in the slide. Click on Bullet button from the paragraph group on Home tab. A list of bullet styles appears. Select the type of bullets you want to use. The text will appear as bulleted list. Similarly, you can apply numbers to a list by clicking on Numbering button and selecting a style from the drop-down menu. Working with images. You can insert images in the slide to make presentation more effective. You can add clip art, pictures and screenshots to the PowerPoint slides. To insert image from file, follow these steps. Select the Insert tab. Click the picture command in the image group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select the desired image file, then click Insert. The picture will appear in your slide. You can also select the Insert Picture from File command in a placeholder to insert images. Insert Clip Art. To insert image from Clip Art, follow these steps. Select the Insert tab. Click the Clip Art command in the image group. Search the result in Clip Art pane. Select the desired image. The clip art will appear in your slide. You can also select the Insert Clip Art from File command in a placeholder to insert clip art.
RoboFact. Clip art is a collection of pictures or images that can be imported into a document. These images are present in Clip Art Gallery.
To resize an image. To increase or decrease the size of image, follow these steps. Click the image. Position your mouse over any one of the corner sizing handles. The cursor will become a pair of directional arrows. Click, hold and drag your mouse until the image of the desired size. Release the mouse. Image will be resized. Move the image. To move the image from one place to another, follow these steps. Click the image. The cursor will turn into a cross with arrows. While holding down the mouse button, drag the image to the desired location. Release the mouse button. The image will be moved to desired location. Note, to rotate the image, click and drag on the green circle located at the top of the image. Quick review. A slide layout is the arrangement of placeholders on the slide used to add text, images, and objects. MS PowerPoint 2010 has 9 in-built slide layouts. The direction of the text can be horizontal, rotated, or stacked. Formatting of text means to change the font, its size, color, or case. Alignment of the text box is center aligned by default. You can insert image to slides by file clip art and screenshots. Resizing of image means to increase or decrease the size of image.
See you in the next chapter.